What's up, adventurers? I told Spice I wasn't fishing again after I fished Sunday until forever. But here we are again. Gonna be the last good day for a while. Weather-wise, wind-wise, all that. We're out here on Lone Star. It owes me a couple of fish, so maybe I'll get them. Before I start fishing, I want to tell a couple of y'all that are trappers who I met fishing last week and didn't record any of it. I met him Sunday. He's down here on a crappie fishing mission. Y'all seen the boat he built, Coon Creek Outdoors. I'll link him in the description. I ran into him on Lake the Pines. Cool dude. Supposed to be down here in Texas doing some work with other YouTubers. I'm hoping he'll have some videos. I tried to explain to him how to use a GoPro and get all his footage, so maybe he'll do it. So he did caught, I think, 75 that day, over 10 inches, which is putting in work on Lake the Pines. Alright, I just wanted everybody to know that. I know Coffee and Melissa and a couple others, that'd be pretty interesting in that. They're Spice. Alright, let's start fishing. I fished in the kayak Saturday. I didn't make a video of it. I was having trouble with the cameras. I hope I got everything worked out. I imagine at some point today I'm gonna have to stop to charge my phone. I will have to get out of the kayak to do that. Awesome. I made a bad mistake, but I'm not getting out there. Got one particular spot I'm going to first. Woodies. See if that Stokers will stroke them. That's the first one in over a week. I'm proud of it. Little dink. Smells good. I don't know if y'all got this hook set on there or not. I think I hadn't turned the camera back on. We'll have to look when we see the video. I know y'all got it from behind. Little buck bass. Yeah, we got us a 3-pounder, y'all. Yes, sir, 3-pounder. Yay, the big catch of the day. How that happens. They got loose. Good job. Alright, adventurers. I hate bringing you videos like this, but bad as it been here lately, you're gonna get one. Because I have filmed 4 times before this that y'all have not seen. As I have zeroed 4 times before today. Let's recap today. One dink, probably a 3.5, 4-pounder. I got right to the kayak, did not get in. And a turtle on a square bill. Never seen anything like it before in my life. Leave it to me, it'll happen to me. Hope y'all enjoy the video. Please watch it, share it, do whatever you want to do with it. Make fun of me in the comments, do whatever you need to do. I need comments, likes, shares, and subscribers. Channel's growing every day. I don't know why, but it is. Y'all help it out. Y'all know what to do right here. Like, share, subscribe, and we go.